Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming model and iOS version so you know available fixes and settings. Once done, restart the iPhone to clear temporary glitches, then flip the silent/ring switch and press the volume keys to test. Make sure to inspect around the buttons for dust or sticky residue. Using compressed air or a soft brush can free a jammed rocker. These steps address software hiccups and obvious physical obstructions before deeper troubleshooting. Now you focus on software causes. Go to Settings, Accessibility, and turn off AssistiveTouch. Sometimes virtual controls override hardware. Then test volume from Control Center, inside music or YouTube, and during a call to narrow where it fails. If you still have problems, install any pending iOS update because fixes arrive in updates. Otherwise, reset all settings to restore defaults without erasing data. These steps solve config conflicts and software bugs that block button input. If software routes fail, you move to hardware validation. Perform a force restart for your specific model to clear low-level hangs. Once done, back up your data and run Apple diagnostics or bring the device to an authorized service for a physical inspection. Loose or worn switches require professional repair. Make sure to test volume using wired headphones and Bluetooth devices to see if sound control works elsewhere. This isolates speaker issues versus the physical buttons themselves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.